Well, folks, this lidded box is going to have to wait until a future video because the banjo on this lathe has gotten so sticky that I have to stop and do something about it. And for those of you who don't know, this part of the lathe that comes out, this is the tool rest. The banjo is this piece of the lathe, and right now it's just not loosening up. So let me get this off the lathe, and let's get to it. Alright, so what I've got here is not unsurprising. A fair amount of accumulated gunk, and a near complete lack of lubrication. What needs to be done here is I simply need to clean up all this gunk, put a little lubrication so the clamp block slides back and forth and this rotating piece moves a little bit more easily, and that'll be that. I can't get to the gunk at the very ends of the banjo clamp bar, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of these plastic razor blades to clean the rest of that stuff off. And if you've never heard of these things, it's the same shape as a razor blade, but it's made out of really hard plastic, and boy, if you have just a handful of these things sitting around your shop, they come in very handy when you need to scrape away at some crud, but you don't want to damage the surface that the crud is stuck to. Now that I've gotten rid of essentially all of the gunk, let's add a little lubrication. I really like to use Tri-Flow for stuff like this. I'm not going to lubricate any of the clamping surfaces because I need this thing to stay clamped securely. Let's get it back on the lathe and see if it works better. Oh, much better. Much better. Well, a wood lathe is about as low maintenance a piece of power equipment as you're going to find, but as this exercise has proved, a little bit of cleaning and lubrication can go an awful long way. And the fact is, this was so easy and so quick, I gotta wonder why I made do for so long. That, folks, concludes this video. I'm Birch, signing off, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching, folks.